Bore da pawb. It's great to be here on St David's Day to show you around Ysgol Tregeles, our new Welsh Language Primary School. Located at the former Neath Abbey Primary School, placements here are opening in a phased approach, eventually reaching up to 210 full-time pupils. This project is a real milestone in our plan to give children the opportunities to learn and to thrive through the medium of Welsh. But that's not all. I'm delighted to announce that there will be a new bilingual childcare facility opening here shortly for children aged 2 to 4. Gofal Plant Tregeles will offer Flying Start and Childcare offer funded places and will also welcome parents accessing schemes such as tax-free childcare. We are proud to support the Welsh language and culture here in Neath Talbot. This project is just the latest steps we're taking to make sure that our children have every opportunity to learn and succeed in Welsh. Diolch.